Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and today I will be working in my planner. But before I do that, I found this little piece of music paper that I thought would look really cute right here on the side, and I wanted to put that on right there. So let's do that first because I'd rather just go ahead and get that out the way. You know what, I found this little rose, which I think is really cute. And oh, you know what, let me look through some of my Happy Mail and check and see. Let me check this one. Ooh, look at this. This is cute. That's cute. No. But I kind of like that there. Let's see. I would love to put a label on here. This purple is really cute. It says something on it. Oh, that is cute. And I can put 2020 on there. I'm going for it. Put that there. Oh, I think I'm gonna use these stickers today. I would love to use those stickers. Oh, look at this paper. I think I'm going to use this paper. Oh, that is cute. I love that. There. Love that. My cover is coming together. I need to put another little piece of washi on the back here, and let me go ahead and find a little piece of washi to put there. I hardly ever open this, and could probably find a cute little washi here. What is this? This is cute. Go with this one. And now let's turn to our next page right here. And it is February. I'm going to use just a simple sheet of paper to make a calendar. So let me set it to the side and I only need 5 rows, so let's see, 1 2 3 4 5, and we'll cut it off. I do an extra one. I worry about all the details later. This used to be a calendar paper, and let's see. So I will write okay. Yes, February only has 29 days, so I can trim this part. You know, I'm not going to trim it off because that gives me a little space to put some washi tape. I'm wondering if I should put a background on it. Let's see. Oh, that is cute. Oh, that is cute. Look at that. Huh? And then I can write February up there. Well, that works out. I hate that I smeared my ink, but it's fine. It's going to be fine. I remembered I have stickers that I need to use up. So let's start using some of these stickers. Let's find a cute washi that will match. I'm just going to go with something simple like this. Okay, let's put this tape on the bottom here. I can cut some of this off. I don't need it to be so big. And I can save this for something else. Oh, you know, I could save this for the tag. That would be cute. I'm going to just round this corner off, eyeball it, round it off, and I'm going to use it for my tag on the side. I'll say I could save that for a tag as well. Oh, we can't forget our little birds. They're going to sit on top there. And you know what? I want to put another one and put him upside down. He's fallen. He's upside down on there. There. And we're going to put this on the side. Okay, I remember in this book it had a heart page, and I wanted these hearts out of here. So I'm going to take this page out and use it. On here for a little bit of decoration. This is so pretty. I just need a little piece, not a lot. And you know, I don't think I cut that straight. So let me line it up to cut it straight. I want it on the side here, and should it fold over? You know, I'm gonna put a pin in that piece, but I have it for just in case. You all wouldn't believe this. I forgot I had this, and this would be perfect for February. So I need to bring it out. Since it was a seasonal thing, I put it up. And then I remembered I had the February washi tape and stickers that I can use. So let me go ahead and take that out and see what all we have here. So I do have a heart right here, and I'm going to take this one and cover the 14th up with the heart. And then I am going to also decorate with this washi tape too. Okay, let's line this up on the side here. I'm going to do Sunday. I might start it over here. Just and since I have a little space down here, I am going to probably put like a sticker or a place to write a little something, just to kind of center it off. Let's see. These bows are cute. I like that. Probably put that there. Oh, I like the paper clips too. I think I'll do that.